think the digital opportunity is fantastic. I think it's creating a lot of new and exciting ways to engage customers, new and exciting ways to reduce costs, to get much more intimate with them, to create opportunities for them to engage with you. But I still think that you're going to need your branches because people need human interaction, especially when they need advice. I don't think people have taken the leap yet to start trusting machines or something that's remote. But when it actually supplements your branch channel, digital can be very powerful. Omnichannel is the key word, and that's something that people need to think about in terms of integrating channels rather than displacing them. More and more, we're finding that there's a gravitation towards mobile, as obviously the cell phone reception increases in rural areas, and we see a greater movement towards digital platforms. It's not only young people that embrace digital, it's also the older people are quite trusting of the technology. Technologies create an opportunity for us to leapfrog some of our competitors. So we can actually launch offerings like internet apps and mobile offerings that are way ahead of our competitors because we don't have the legacy issue. So I think that's where the opportunity comes. And also, because most of our customers are very typically inclined to use branches, there's a huge opportunity for us to give them self-service options and also to empower them a lot more than what they are currently. I think there will still be traditional banks, but I think a lot of the revenue streams that are generated by the traditional banks are going to get displaced by new providers, fintech companies, and there'll be a lot more peer-to-peer lending. I think there'll be a lot more artificial intelligence in terms of advice. And I think on the transactional banking side, you're going to get other providers and players where you can get real-time settlement. People will still use banks where they need to invest large sums of money because I think they need to trust the organization that it'll still be around 2 or 3 years from now.